Today we are going to subtract fractions that require regrouping. The last couple of days this week when we have subtracted fractions, we have not had to deal with regrouping. However, today we're going to do that. So regrouping fractions is the same way, we do that the same way as we would regrouping numbers in subtraction. So let's go ahead and start with our 6 1/4. So get our 6 ready, 6 wholes. There's 4, 5, 6. So there's my 6. Now I need 1/4. So I'm going to take the fourths. Okay, so I have 6 1/4 right now. I need to subtract 2 3/4. So I know that I can go ahead and take away 2 wholes. That's not a problem. When I get to my 3/4, that's going to be something that I need to consider. So let me go ahead and just take away my 2. So I'm going to take away this 2 right here by Xing out this one and this one. Okay. So I've taken away the 2. Now I need to take away the 3/4. There is a problem here. I only have 1/4, so I cannot take away 3/4 unless I break up this 1 whole here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and turn that 1 whole into 4/4. And take this right here. It's not going to allow me to put it on top, so I'm just going to put it right under it and mark it out just to show that I have done a fair trade. There we go. So I'm decomposing this 1 whole here into 4/4 so that then I can subtract those 3/4. So let me go ahead and mark that out because that's gone. Now I have the 4/4 in place of it. Now I can subtract 3/4. So there's 1/4, 2/4, and 3/4. So now if I look to see what I have left, I see that I have 2 wholes and I have 2/4. So 2 2/4 is my answer